Welcome to Module 4, Texturing. Let's begin by opening the Material Editor. Click this button on the main toolbar or press M on the keyboard. The Material Editor is really a program in its own right within Max and Viz. It has a great deal of complexity that you'll learn to appreciate and harness throughout this module. The editor is a floating dialog box that you can put anywhere you like. If you have dual monitors, I recommend that you put the editor on your secondary monitor. If you're working on one screen, then I recommend that you put the editor right next to the command panel like this, so that you still have access to the tools over here. You can resize the dialog box only in the height dimension. I'll make it fill the available space. Now I'll talk about the user interface within the Material Editor. At the top it has its own set of menus. Next are the material slots. Each slot represents a different material. Only one slot is active at any time, and it's indicated by this white border around the slot. The name of the material is given here. The type of material is shown here. There are scroll bars to navigate through the slots. And there are 24 slots, no more and no less. Right-click on a slot and you can access this context menu. Here we can change the size of the sample windows or slots. You can also press X to toggle through these three options. Now we can see all 24, and these scroll bars gray out. I'll press X again to go back to the original mode where we just see 6 slots at one time. These buttons going around the slot area are various controls that we'll be learning about in the course of our tutorials. The material type standard controls all of the rollouts that we see down here. If you start to open up these rollouts, you'll find that you're going to run out of space to see them all, and you'll have to scroll up and down using this scroll bar right here, or by turning the mouse wheel, or by dragging in the panel just like you can in the command panel.